Guys, welcome. Today we are going to learn a bootstrap. So what is a bootstrap? Bootstrap is a framework where we can use to develop a website with a fully responsive and it is very user friendly and it can develop very easily. So here's the first lesson, how to create a bootstrap website. So initially we need to download the bootstrap files to get started for the bootstrap. So let's get started. Just go to Google and go for the bootstrap official page. Bootstrap, here get bootstrap.com. You can go to getbootstrap.com and here we can see the download button. Just click the download and here the different files of the bootstrap can be seen here: compiled CSS and JS files, source files, and bootstrap CDN. So we just needed the CSS and JS files for the bootstrap, so we can download here directly. Download button. Once the download has been finished, we can see those files. Yes, not just wait for 1 second. Yeah, here are the bootstrap 4.31. So currently the bootstrap is running with 4.3 version. So we can see what are the files contained on the download folder. We can see CSS folder and another one is JS folder. Firstly, the CSS folder. In the CSS folder we can see different bootstrap CSS files, and here in the JS folder we can see different CSS JS files. One is style sheets and another one is JavaScript. So let's get started. How to create a first bootstrap website, a introduction for bootstrap website, how to use a bootstrap CSS files and how to use bootstrap JS files, and how to create a website with a bootstrap we are going to learn now. So after the download has been finished of an bootstrap file, just rename it as my bootstrap website or anything else. You just change the name of the bootstrap webs folder. My bootstrap website. Yeah, here we can see the both CSS and JS files. Here I am going to create an index file or the file. Okay, I'm using a brackets tool. You can download from Google directly. Brackets tool is just like a notepad. You can use notepad or you can use notepad plus plus alternate for this. I'm using brackets. Okay, file, open folder. Here in brackets we can go for file and open folder. We can check here downloads. We can open our new website. My first, just wait, it's getting open. Or you can directly my bootstrap website. Brackets file, open folder. Yes, hereafter we can see downloads. In downloads we can see that, yes, my bootstrap website. Here the my bootstrap website has been opened. We can see the different CSS files here and we can see different JS files here, and now we are going to write a new file here. File, I'm going to write HTML. I'm going to save it as index file. So as index.html. So we just saved index.html in the name. You can save any other name you wish. It's your wish. After that, head. After creating head, title, my bootstrap website. After Here we need to link the external style sheets of the Bootstrap CSS files and external JS files of the Bootstrap. So here for the linking of an external CSS files, we use same as link related equal to style sheet. Next, h reference equal to CSS stats. We need to see bootstrap slash here this file css slash bootstrap.css. We need to link bootstrap.css file for our website, and later on we need the JS file. For JS, it's a JavaScript file. We need script src equal to js bootstrap.js. We need bootstrap.js file for the script. Here we just linked our CSS file and we just linked our JavaScript file of both Bootstrap we just downloaded. You can check here the bootstrap.css file. This is the bootstrap.css file. All the styles has been Bootstrap styles has been written here. We need to just use all the styles over here, and JavaScript file bootstrap.js, all the JavaScript files, all the functions and different files functions have been written here. We can use these functions directly by linking the JavaScript file. So here the first index has been created. We just linked the Bootstrap CSS file and the Bootstrap JS file. Now I'm just going to check whether the Bootstrap is properly included in our website in this index file or not, whether the Bootstrap is working in our website or not. I'm just using div class equal to container and div class equal to jumbotron. Here h1 tag hello Bootstrap. I'm just writing hello Bootstrap. Whether it's working in our Bootstrap, the Bootstrap is working in our website or not, we're just checking here. After we creating this file, we just go to my Bootstrap website. You can see the CSS file, JS file, and just we created the index file. Just right click, open with Safari. Yeah, it's working. Here the container. What is a container? Div class container just take the white spaces from the device. Here the white space, here the white space. Div class the jumbotron. In the jumbotron we use for the title purpose. I will explain in the later on classes, in the next classes, what is a container and what is jumbotron. Here the container and the jumbotron has been working from the Bootstrap files. So the Bootstrap has been working in our website. Let's check whether the responsive is working in our website or not. Yeah, the responsive is also working. The first lesson, how to download the Bootstrap, how to link up the Bootstrap files into our website, and how to check the Bootstrap. We just learned those things. In the next class, we're going to learn how to use the different classes in the Bootstrap, how simple we can create a Bootstrap website with these classes, how responsive easily can be done with this Bootstrap class can be learned in the next class. Don't go away, just watch the second video and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much.